तसेच वॉर्ड क्रमांक 11चे नगरसेवक श्री नारायण बोरकर, आमचे संदीप आमच्या या टोर्नामेंटीचे जे संयोजक आसात, समन्वयक आसा शाहरुख, रुपेश ते आसा हजर हांगा. दर वर्सा प्रमाण आमचे आमदार ही क्रिकेट सर्त हांगा घडोवन हाडटा आणि
मुझे मीटिंग चालू है डिफरेंट वार्ड्स. आई एम आस्किंग माय people what to do. So I'll take my decision in few days.
Sir, there is news that you could switch from the BJP to other party in case the time arrives. Is that true?
I'm not saying no to you. See, many people have met me because there are fillers in the party. See, there's one person, Bharan Satish. He's playing some different games. See, he's a player. I'm also a player.
So definitely,
we are the field right now, cricket field. When we play, we have to play the game. So now we are talking to me about politics.
so definitely there are going to be some surprises coming for Vasco very soon.
See, surprise is not no surprise. See, Vasco basically was not a BJP seat. Vasco was a Congress seat all these years. See, Vasco was Sheikh Hassan, Simon. See, it was their time. But then we have, आम्ही आलेकर टाइमात जिंकवले BJP. पत्ते फिल्पा उडेल पत्ते आता 10 वर्ष झाले BJP दोनले सामान झाले. It's not anybody's freedom.
But definitely, all the councillors along with you are likely to, switch to another party.
See, I will not talk about other people. I'm talking about myself. See, if I'm hurt, I'll have to repair the hurt. I'll have to have an operation. So I'll have to do something.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
See, municipal election, Mirin Naik made a mess. Even High Court also passed actually stricture against the DMA. I'm sad. I was sad that time. But then we faced the situation. What deserve color, Porta what deserve color. But we still, I'm declared. Out of 11 wards that we contested, we won 9 wards. This is a big victory for us in Vasco. The party must understand that on what basis we have won. And one more major factor that Vasco is getting state mother treatment every time for the last 10 years. It can be seen.
So you now realize that it was a deliberate move, sir, to sideline projects or keep them on hold.
I feel that there was some game, some behind the scene move.
Okay, sir.